Charminar is a monument located in Hyderabad, Telangana, India. Constructed in 1591, the landmark is a symbol of Hyderabad and officially incorporated and the emblem of Telangana. The Charminar's long history includes the existence of a mosque on its top floor for more than 425 years. While both historically and religiously significant, it is also known for its popular and busy local markets surrounding the structure, and has become one of the most frequented tourist attractions in Hyderabad. Charminar is also a site of numerous festival celebrations, such as Eid al-Adha and Eid al-Fitr, as it is adjacent to the city's main mosque, the Makkah Masjid.
Nereids were sea nymphs in Greek mythology who helped sailors on their voyages when they faced fierce storms. The monument was probably built for Urbina, ruler of Lycian Xanthos in modern-day southwest Turkey. Although he wasn't Greek, Urbina chose to be buried in a tomb that mostly resembled a Greek's. The monument is influenced by the Ionic temples of the Acropolis of Athens. Its lavish decorative sculpture, which can be seen reconstructed. Please roam around and have a better look at the World Heritage.
The Arc de Triomphe Paris, the most monumental of all triumphal arches, was built between 1806 and 1836. Even though there were many modifications from the original plans, reflecting political changes and power struggles, the arch still retains the essence of the original concept, a powerful unified symbol for France. The Arc de Triomphe stands at the center of the Place Charles de Gaulle, also known as the Place de la Toile. It's located at the western end of the Champs-Élysées. The arch's whole decorative style is entirely of the tradition of sculpture from the first half of the 19th century. The triumphal arch is in honor of those who fought for France, and in particular, those who fought during the Napoleonic Wars. Engraved on the inside and at the top of the